Hello again.
Today it's Tex-Mex time and we're gonna make taco salad.
Tex-Mex cuisine was developed in Texas during the 20th century. The name comes from the Texas-Mexican Railway and it combines elements of Anglo, Spanish and Mexican cuisine.
Thanks for the history lesson.
You're welcome.
Now it gets interesting. Let's start with our dressing because that needs to rest in the fridge for a bit. I have here ripe avocado. We're gonna make this a creamy avocado dressing. See, ooh, that's ripe. That's good. Let's scoop that into our blender like this. Then I'm gonna give, let's say I have a bunch of cilantro here. I'm gonna take, let's say, a quarter of it, something like that. Give it a rough chop. And then that goes in as well. Then I'm gonna take the juice of one lime. Then I'm gonna give it a clove of garlic.
Wow, that's quite big.
I'm only gonna use half of it because I know you don't like that much.
Thank you.
Then for the next, I'm gonna give it a good pinch of black pepper. And sea salt. We will taste it after just to make sure it's correct. And then a little bit of cayenne pepper, depending how hot you want it. That's up to you, like half a teaspoon maybe. And then I'm gonna give it a little bit of buttermilk, just a splash for now. And then we will test the consistency when we blend it. Let's get this on the blender. Let's check the consistency, if it's creamy enough. Let me just try and see. That's a little bit too dense. We need a little bit more milk here. You can see it's not, as a dressing, you need to be more liquidy. So let's give that a bit more milk. Like that. And give that Let's check again and give it a taste. This looks better to me. Look, now it's the consistency you want. Let me just give it a taste here for salt. That's perfect. That's really good. Doesn't need any more salt. Very fresh and very nice. Now I'm going to transfer this to a squeeze bottle so we can make it look good when we do the presentation later. Put that in the fridge while we prepare the rest. Next step, let's prepare our vessels of delivery.
That's a good way of putting it.
Yeah, it is. What we're going to do is we have here some medium-sized wheat tortillas, and we're going to make them into taco bowls, actually. But what we need now is we need to make oil so we can brush them. Let's say 3-4 tablespoons of olive oil, a good pinch of salt, because they are unsalted, so they don't really have any taste. And then, let's say a quarter teaspoon of chipotle.
Here we go again.
Yeah.
You have to make everything spicy, yeah?
I like it. I like it spicy. I like it hot.
Yeah, hot.
And then we're gonna brush them here like this.
You need to brush also the balls, or?
No, that's enough oil on
the tortilla itself, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, don't make it very oily.
No, but they need some oil because they will crispen up in the oven. We just finish this. And then we're gonna put it in these nice little shapers here, so we get a nice shape on our tortilla balls.
They will look like flowers.
They're gonna be really pretty. There we are. And if you don't have these, then what you can do is you can take steel ball like this upside down and then drape it over. Then you can also make bigger tortillas if you so want to. Now we're going to transfer these to the oven, have it running at 180, place them in the middle, and they need maybe 10 minutes maximum. There we go. Let's check if our tortilla shells, they're ready. Let's give it a look here. Try to flip it out. Ah, that's beautiful. Now they just need to cool down. And there's the third. Beautiful, very fine crust. They will crispen up as they cool down. And then let's move on with the vegetables. Let's get started on our taco meat. For this, we're using our flat top. I'm going to give it a drizzle of avocado oil. Not too much, but just a little bit. Spread that around. I have it running on sort of medium-high temperature. There we are. And I have here ½ kilo of ground beef. Not too lean. You want to have some fat content here. And then we're going to break that up directly on the flat top. Let that start to brown up. I'm gonna drizzle that with a healthy drizzle of our homemade barbecue rub. There's in the description below the ingredients of this. This is our standard barbecue rub. Very nice. There we go. Let that be. That smells good, huh?
It's already aromatic. Brilliant idea.
Good. Very good smell. While we let that brown up, on the other side here, I'm going to get started on our beans. I have here 150 grams of red beans, black beans, and some sweet corn. This I'm going to drizzle with 2 tablespoons of our homemade barbecue sauce to give it a little bit of 2.5, okay. Let's see how our meat is doing. That looks, now it's browning up nicely in the bottom. And now I'm gonna give it some lime juice because that gives a really nice golden crust when you put that on the meat while you are grilling it like this. We're gonna let that steam a little bit under here while we finish off the beans. They're ready. They have gotten all they need. They are basically cooked. They just need to be warmed up a little bit. Let me get a bowl down here so I can scoop them out of here. The meat has been steaming under here for some minutes now, so basically it's cooked. Now we want to uncover and let it brown up. I'm going to spread it out flat. This is browning up nicely. Let's give it a flip here, and then I'll show you a little trick that makes it extra delicious. Pile it in the middle like this, so like that. And then we're going to give it a little bit of beer. Not much, just like that, and let it steam. Cheers! Let's have a look. The meat is ready and it smells amazing. Let's get this off. That's a nice self-service taco bar we set up here. Now this is only for the two of us, but this you can scale up to even big parties so people they can serve themselves. Let's assemble our taco salads. One for you and one for me. Obviously, if you make these bigger, you can make it like a main course. Now we are making it as a side dish. Start with some salad in the bottom. And we're gonna give it some of our nice taco meat here. As I said, no salad without meat.
Yeah, that's like hardly a salad, but anyway.
It is a Tex-Mex salad.
Yeah, exactly.
There you go, beans. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of cheese now on top of the warm things. So we get a little bit of...
But nice meal actually, it's not a salad, it's a full meal in reality.
It is, and if I said,
good
if you
idea.
make the bigger ones, I'm gonna put some of my pickled jalapenos on mine. I know you don't want that.
Yeah, don't put it on mine.
I know that, but I love that, so.
Of course.
And then a little bit of cilantro to top it off here.
That's
Nice.
a good one.
And then some of our tomatoes. Some nice colors here. And then I'm gonna drizzle it with our nice avocado dressing here. And I'm gonna give it also a little bit of sriracha with ginger. Let me see if it's open. There we are.
I want also a bit of that.
Yeah, that's good. It's
Just
not
like-
very spicy actually.
Just a tad.
Yeah, no.
Oh, okay.
There you go. And now it's time for us to taste. That's
Well-
really good actually.
They have some good idea in Texas, that's for sure.
Tex-Mex cooking is not bad. That tastes really nice. I like the avocado dressing. It's really, really good.
Yeah, very refreshing, and the lime that you put and the fresh cilantro is perfect.
I just want to try also our tortilla shell.
I'm loving it. Very good idea. Excellent recipe.
The tortilla shell is much nicer than when you do a taco salad with tortilla chips or something like that. This is a nice addition. It's a good idea.
Definitely try
Try it out.
See ya.